Is your car running rough, stalling, or guzzling more fuel than usual? A bad MAF sensor could be the hidden culprit. The mass airflow MAF sensor plays a crucial role in your car's performance by measuring the air entering the engine. When it fails, it can lead to serious issues like poor fuel efficiency, rough idling, and even engine stalling. In this video, we'll go over 11 common symptoms of a failing MAF sensor and how to fix them. Make sure to watch until the end to avoid costly repairs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. A mass airflow MAF sensor plays a crucial role in maintaining your car's engine performance. When it starts to fail, you may notice a range of issues, from poor acceleration to reduced fuel efficiency. Fortunately, diagnosing and fixing a bad MAF sensor isn't as complicated as it may seem. In this guide, we'll explore common symptoms of a bad MAF sensor, how to diagnose the issue, and what steps to take to fix or replace it. What is a MAF sensor? The mass airflow MAF sensor is responsible for measuring the amount of air entering your engine. This data is sent to the car's engine control unit, which adjusts the fuel injection accordingly. The correct air-to-fuel ratio ensures smooth engine operation, optimal fuel economy, and reduced emissions. Without a properly functioning MAF sensor, your car's engine may run too lean, too much air, not enough fuel, or too rich, too much fuel, not enough air, leading to a variety of performance issues. Symptoms of a bad MAF sensor. A faulty MAF sensor can cause multiple problems, many of which may seem unrelated at first. Here are the most common symptoms you should watch out for. 1. Engine misfire. When the mass airflow MAF sensor fails, it can cause an imbalance in the air-fuel mixture entering the engine, leading to performance issues. One common problem is an engine misfire. If the MAF sensor isn't working correctly, the engine may not get the right amount of fuel, causing incomplete combustion. This can result in jerking, surging, or vibrations, especially when driving at a steady speed or shifting gears. A misfiring engine not only affects performance but can also lead to long-term damage if left unaddressed. 2. Rough idle. Another symptom of a faulty MAF sensor is a rough idle. When your car is at low speeds or stopped, the engine needs the right amount of fuel to run smoothly. If the MAF sensor sends incorrect airflow data to the engine control module, the system may reduce fuel injection too much, causing the engine to idle roughly or even stall. You might notice your car shaking or feeling unstable when stopped at a traffic light or parked. Addressing a failing MAF sensor quickly can help prevent further issues and keep your engine running efficiently. If you experience these symptoms, checking or replacing the MAF sensor could solve the problem. 3. Sluggish acceleration. A faulty MAF sensor can cause sluggish acceleration, making your car hesitate or struggle to gain speed. This happens because the sensor provides incorrect airflow data, leading to an improper fuel mixture that reduces engine power. As a result, your vehicle may feel unresponsive when you press the gas pedal, making tasks like merging onto highways or overtaking other cars more difficult and even dangerous. If left unchecked, poor acceleration can affect overall driving performance and fuel efficiency. Replacing or cleaning the MAF sensor can restore proper airflow readings, helping your engine run smoothly and respond correctly to acceleration. 4. Stalling engine. An incorrect air-fuel ratio caused by a faulty MAF sensor can lead to engine stalling. Too much air or too little fuel disrupts combustion, making the engine shut off unexpectedly. Older vehicles are more susceptible to this issue since they rely heavily on the MAF sensor for proper fuel delivery. Newer cars have additional sensors that help compensate for a failing MAF, but prolonged neglect can still cause problems. If left unaddressed, a bad MAF sensor can strain other engine components, leading to reduced performance, increased fuel consumption, and potential long-term damage that may require costly repairs. 5. Reduced fuel efficiency. A faulty MAF sensor can disrupt the air-fuel mixture, causing the engine to burn more fuel than needed. This results in poor fuel efficiency, meaning you may find yourself refueling more often and noticing a drop in miles per gallon. When the sensor fails, the engine control module, ECM, may compensate by injecting excess fuel, leading to unnecessary consumption. Over time, this can increase your fuel costs and put additional strain on engine components. Addressing a malfunctioning MAF sensor promptly can help restore fuel efficiency, improve engine performance, and prevent further issues with your vehicle. 6. Running lean or rich air-fuel ratios. A malfunctioning MAF sensor can disrupt the air-fuel balance, causing the engine to run too rich, too much fuel, or too lean, too much air. When the mixture is too rich, excess fuel doesn't burn completely, leading to black smoke from the exhaust. On the other hand, a lean mixture can result in a strong sulfur or rotten egg smell due to improper combustion. Both conditions can reduce engine efficiency and damage critical components like the catalytic converter. Addressing a faulty MAF sensor early can prevent these symptoms, improve fuel economy, and ensure smoother engine performance. 7. Difficulty starting the engine. A badly failing MAF sensor can make it difficult or even impossible for the engine to start. Since the sensor helps regulate the air-fuel mixture, an incorrect reading can cause too much air or fuel, preventing proper combustion. This imbalance can lead to extended cranking, rough starts, or no start at all, similar to trying to ignite a damp match. Without the right fuel-air ratio, the engine may struggle to generate the necessary power to turn over. Replacing a faulty MAF sensor promptly can restore proper engine function and prevent further mechanical issues. 8. Black smoke from the exhaust. If you notice thick black smoke coming from your exhaust, it means your engine is burning too much fuel. This often occurs when a bad MAF sensor sends incorrect airflow data, leading to excessive fuel injection. 9. Engine knocking or pinging sounds. When fuel burns unevenly in the engine, it can cause knocking or pinging noises. This is a sign of incorrect combustion timing, which can eventually damage the engine cylinders and cost thousands of dollars in repairs. 10. Check engine light. A faulty MAF sensor can trigger the check engine light CEL on your dashboard. If you scan the vehicle with an OBD2 scanner, you may find trouble codes such as P0100, mass airflow circuit malfunction, P0101, mass airflow circuit range performance, P0102, mass airflow circuit low input, P0103, mass airflow circuit high input. How to diagnose a bad MAF sensor. Before replacing the MAF sensor, it's important to diagnose the issue correctly. Here are 3 ways to test for a bad MAF sensor. 1. Using an OBD2 scanner. One of the most reliable ways to diagnose a faulty mass airflow MAF sensor is by using an OBD2 scanner. To begin, connect the scanner to your car's diagnostic port and check the live data while the engine is idling. A properly functioning MAF sensor should display a reading close to 0 milligrams at idle. Next, rev the engine and observe the sensor values. These readings should increase as the RPMs rise and decrease when the engine returns to idle. If there are no significant changes in the MAF readings, this could indicate a malfunctioning sensor requiring further inspection or replacement. 2. The pull test. Another simple way to test if the MAF sensor is working correctly is by performing the pull test. Start your engine and allow it to idle smoothly. While the engine is running, unplug the MAF sensor's electrical harness and observe the reaction. If the engine stalls immediately, it means the sensor is functioning properly. However, if the engine continues to run without any noticeable difference, this is a strong sign that the MAF sensor may be faulty and needs attention. 3. The tap test. A quick and effective method to check for a failing MAF sensor is the tap test. Begin by starting the engine and letting it reach its normal operating temperature. Once the engine is idling steadily, take the handle of a screwdriver and gently tap on the MAF sensor. If the engine reacts by stalling, surging, or shuddering, it suggests that the sensor is either dirty or damaged. In such cases, cleaning the sensor or replacing it may be necessary to restore proper engine performance. How to fix a bad MAF sensor. If your MAF sensor is dirty, cleaning it may temporarily resolve the issue. However, if it's damaged, replacement is the only option. Cleaning a MAF sensor. If your mass airflow MAF sensor is dirty, cleaning it can sometimes restore its functionality and temporarily resolve performance issues. To begin, turn off the engine and disconnect the sensor to prevent any electrical damage. Next, open the airbox and carefully remove the MAF sensor. Be extremely cautious not to touch the delicate wires inside the sensor, as they are highly sensitive and can be easily damaged. Once removed, use a specialized mass airflow sensor cleaner or, if unavailable, rubbing alcohol to clean the sensor. Spray the cleaner directly onto the sensor, ensuring that the entire surface is well coated. Avoid scrubbing or using compressed air, as this could harm the internal components. After spraying, allow the sensor to air dry for at least 20 minutes to ensure all moisture has evaporated before reinstalling it. Once it is completely dry, secure the sensor back into place, reconnect the wiring harness, and ensure everything is properly fitted. Start the engine and monitor its performance to check if the issue has been resolved. If the engine runs smoothly and no warning lights appear, the cleaning process was likely successful. However, if problems persist, the sensor may be beyond repair and require replacement. Replacing a MAF sensor. If cleaning the MAF sensor does not fix the problem, then replacing it is the only viable solution. Start by purchasing a compatible MAF sensor that matches your vehicle's make and model. Using the wrong sensor can cause further issues with the engine's performance and fuel efficiency. Once you have the correct replacement, disconnect the old sensor by carefully removing its wiring harness and detaching it from the air intake system. Gently take out the faulty sensor and dispose of it properly. Next, install the new sensor, ensuring that it is securely in place and correctly positioned. Double-check all connections to prevent any air leaks or improper readings. After installation, reconnect the wiring harness and start the engine. Observe the engine's performance and check for any warning lights on the dashboard. If the engine runs smoothly and there are no abnormal fluctuations in RPMs, the replacement was successful. To confirm that the new sensor is working correctly, you can use an OBD2 scanner to monitor real-time data and verify that airflow readings are normal. A properly functioning MAF sensor will help maintain optimal fuel efficiency, engine performance, and overall vehicle health. Types of MAF sensors. There are three main types of MAF sensors used in vehicles. 1. Hot wire MAF sensors. The most common type, these measure airflow using a heated wire. 2. Hot film MAF sensors. Similar to hot wire sensors, but use a thin film for increased durability. 3. Vane airflow sensors. An older design that measures airflow using a spring-loaded vane. Cost to replace a MAF sensor. The cost of replacing a mass airflow MAF sensor typically ranges from $250 to $470, including both parts and labor. The price of the sensor itself varies between $200 and $300, while labor costs can range from $50 to $170, depending on the vehicle and repair shop rates. Addressing a faulty MAF sensor promptly is crucial, as it helps maintain engine efficiency and prevents more expensive repairs down the line. A malfunctioning sensor can lead to poor fuel economy, rough idling, and potential engine damage, making timely replacement a cost-effective solution for keeping your car in optimal condition. A bad MAF sensor can lead to serious engine issues, but catching the signs early can save you time and money. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Have you ever dealt with a faulty MAF sensor? Share your experience in the comments below.